I'll pick the better of these two guys. I ordered a new Uni Filter today that'll fit on that. I'm not going to use these old K&Ns. I was really worried about this Uni Filter not fitting. I thought maybe I bought one that was too tall, but it just fits in there on this 2-into-1 intake. Here's some more curious stuff. So I have two of these. One had this filter on it and one had this filter on it. This one fits extremely loose in here, very loose. This one had this piece of metal pipe shoved in there, which I think is a great idea. It makes it fit very snug in here, and you can then clamp the rubber like as tight as you want, because this thing's not going to collapse. I didn't want to use either of those, so I bought this Uni Filter. I bought this angled one, which is what I use on these bikes. I figured I would want to tilt this thing left, right, forward, back, one way or the other. I don't know if I needed that. So this has a very slight lip right here. The inside of this thing has a lip here, and it actually kind of catches it, like so. But I put it in there and I tighten the hose clamp, and I can keep tightening and tightening and tightening, and I can wiggle this thing out. I don't like it. Maybe Toomey had some special ones made that had a little larger OD on the filter. I tried and tried and tried to get this piece of metal pipe inside this guy. I couldn't do it. This is a slightly less OD, so I'm going to go cut a piece of this PVC pipe to shove in here, and then I can shove that in there, and then I should be able to tighten the heck out of that. Here's the difference in size. This thing actually fits inside of that thing. Now I have to get it out. I beveled this edge right here a little bit, so hopefully it will enable it to slide right in there. It went right in there. That's pretty cool. Let's see if it fits into that guy. Now I can tighten the crap out of this thing. And this is not going to come out. I like it. Can you see inside there? It's solid.
Dinner ready!
The air filter is oiled with sticky blue goo. This stuff. Got a few more little things done. The air filter and the fuel lines. I think the carburetors are fully hooked up. Kind of missing a throttle and throttle cables. But the vent lines, drain line, supply lines, oil lines. That stuff's all there. I still need to figure out what to do about that little guy right there.